Standard 5 Environmental Science 1 Substances, Objects and Energy Questions and Answers. Fill in the blanks. Lakhs of particles of any substance must come together to form a particle that can be visible to our eyes. Number 2. Different substances have different properties. Number 3. Energy in the form of motion is called kinetic energy. Number 4. The capacity of the body to do work is called energy. Number 5. When petrol or diesel burns in a motor vehicle, energy is released. Name the following substances which goes into gaseous state directly from solid state. Answer: naphthalene balls, camphor balls. Number 2. Fuels used for running machines. Answer: LPG, CNG, coal, diesel, petrol. Number 3. Forms of energy. Answer: sound, heat, light, electricity. Number 4. 3 substances found in solid state: wood, iron, copper. Number 5. 3 substances found in liquid state. Answer: water, milk, cough syrup. What's the solution? We need to make a sharbat quickly for some guests, but we only have sugar candy in the house. Answer: sugar candy can be used while preparing the sharbat instead of sugar. However, the candy should be pounded and made into powder so that it will dissolve in water easily. Next question. We need to rub salt on corn cob, but only salt crystals are available. Answer: we should add few drops of water to the salt and rub it on the corn cob. The salt dissolves in the water and hence it spreads evenly on the corn cob. Use your brain power. Why do tablets of camphor decrease in size day by day? Answer: camphor particles present in the tablets escape by getting converted directly to gaseous state. Therefore, the tablets of camphor decrease in size day by day. How do we save fuel by using public transport? Answer: if people drive car instead of using public transport while going to work, more fuel will be burnt, as each car will burn the fuel to release energy and work. However, if public transport is used, it will save a lot of fuel if people use the public transport. Answer the following questions. When and why do clothes smell of naphthalene? Answer: naphthalene is continuously converted to small particles in the gaseous state when it is exposed to air. These particles then settle on the clothes. Therefore, after some days, the clothes smell of naphthalene. Which state is water found in nature? Answer: water is found in all 3 states in nature: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Ice is the solid state of water. Water in lakes, sea, etc. are in liquid state, and steam or vapor is the gaseous state of water. What is meant by energy? Answer: the capacity of a body to do work is called energy. Energy is obtained by burning fuels in the form of heat. This heat is used to do work. The sources of energy are the sun, coal, diesel, CNG, LPG, petrol, wind, moving water, and electricity. What is the difference between solid, liquid, and gaseous state of a substance? Solid state. The solids have a definite shape and volume. The liquids do not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of a container. The gases do not have a definite shape or volume. Point number 2. The particles in solid are closely packed. The distance between the particles is greater as compared to solid, but less when compared to gases. The distance between the particles is maximum in gases as shown below. Point number 3. The particles in solid cannot move away from each other. The particles can vibrate in their mean position. This is in the liquid state. And in the gaseous state, point number 3 is the particles can move away from each other. Answer in one sentence. What are all substances made up of? Answer. All substances are made up of fine particles. Next question. Which substance is found in all three states? Answer. Water is found in all three states: solid, liquid and gases. Next question. What are the different properties of a substance? Answer. Different substances have different properties like hardness, transparency, color, smell, solubility in water, etc. Before I end this lesson, I would like to tell you, please remember the name of Maharshi Kannad, who proposed the theory that all the substances are made up of tiny particles, and he gave the name to those tiny particles as pillar. And you should also know that Maharshi Kannad was known as Ulk, Ulk, Ulk. Maybe these questions will be asked in Name the Following. Thank you.